Welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll witness the final round of the SolidWorks Speed Modeling Tournament 2025. 4 finalists, different engineering courses, 1 final plate to create, and only one will take home the championship title. Here are the finalists for the championship round. We have 1 from electronics engineering, 1 from electrical engineering, and 2 from mechanical engineering.
For the final round.
Our competitors face their last challenge to recreate this mechanical plate and determine its mass down to the exact XXX grams. This is classified as Tier 5 complexity in the World Championship competitions. Every edge, cut, and feature demands absolute mastery. They will be working under the MMG's unit system, using plain carbon steel with a density of 7,800 kilograms per meter cube. Precision is everything, and only the sharpest engineer will emerge victorious. The championship round begins in 3, 2, 1, and go!
Sir. Wrong. Sir. Wrong. Sir, next one is 420 points. Correct!
Wow! Yes! We have a champion, Dayan Aminojar, from Electrical Engineering, finishing in 5 minutes and 20 seconds. The battle isn't over yet. The fight continues until the first, second, and third runner-up are determined.
I give up. Correct.
We have our first runner-up, Paljahar Biliwalag, from Mechanical Engineering. The battle continues. And our second runner-up, Caspi Glenn from Electronics Engineering. out of 66 contenders. These finalists rose above the rest. Their skill, precision, and determination brought them to the top of this year's SolidWorks Speed Modeling Tournament. May this victory remind you that engineering is not only a skill, it's a journey of continuous improvement. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep challenging yourselves. The future is built by minds like yours. This is Surgeonaire AJ, and I'll see you in the next challenge.